Hi, I'm Lauren, registered nurse at Cityskin, and today I'd like to talk to you about cheek enhancements. Cheek enhancements can improve the overall contour and definition of the face, creating higher and more prominent cheekbones. This can also lead to improved facial symmetry and balance. Another popular reason we utilize cheek enhancements at Cityskin is to restore volume lost due to genetics, aging, lifestyle, or weight loss. This enhances the mid-face area, providing structure and support for a more youthful appearance without the need for surgery. At Cityskin, our experienced team ensures that each treatment is tailored to your unique facial structure and aesthetic goals. We work with you to tailor a treatment plan to meet your needs using only the highest quality products and techniques to achieve natural-looking results. If you're considering cheek enhancements or want to learn more about how this treatment can benefit you, I encourage you to book a free consultation with us today.